Lesson 19. May and might. 1. May and might for possibility. We use may and might when something is possible, but we are not sure. Examples: he may be in his office, or she might know the answer. 2. May not and might not for possible negative situations. We use may not and might not when something is possibly not true or perhaps did not happen. Examples: it may not be true, or she might not know about the meeting. 3. May have done and might have done for past possibility. We use may have done and might have done when we think something possibly happened in the past, but we are not certain. Examples: she may have been asleep, or you might have left your phone at work. 4. Could and couldn't for possibility and impossibility. Could is often similar to may and might when talking about possibility. However, couldn't have means something was impossible in the past, while might not have means it is only possibility that it didn't happen. Examples: it could be true, or Sarah couldn't have received my message. Compare this with she might not have received my message. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye!